little quick coming out to the right, but he seems to be remaining in some control. Upon approach a little while,